weekend didn't stop Government Plaza from opening on Monday, but that doesn't mean that it's been easy for people who had to work and visit the complex.
That's right. Fox 10 News reporter Renee Dials is live outside Government Plaza to tell us what the county is doing about this problem, how much it's going to cost.
Well, Bob and Lenise, the County Commission held an emergency meeting this morning to deal with what the county calls a health and safety concern, and that was welcome news to some of the people who work here. Assistant District Attorney Deborah Tillman made a quick stop in her 7th floor office to pick up some papers this morning. She says she hasn't been able to work here since the weekend fire.
I decided that pretty much on Monday when I walked in and smelled the smoke, that I could not, work up there. So I came to the 5th floor and brought my computer and began to work.
Tillman says 3 members of the district attorney's staff became ill because of the smoke.
We did have some folks who showed up on Monday and thought that they could not work in this environment and, took a sick day and went home.
Most of the DA's staff was moved to other areas of the building. Thousands of people visit Government Plaza every day. Many may not realize they're exposed to the faint smell of smoke from the fire. But County Commissioner Jerry Carl says it is definitely a health concern.
Actually, we had fire that ran down the elevator shaft. It got in the air-conditioned ducts. It got into the ceiling tiles. It got into a lot of places you really don't think about, so you can still smell it. And it's just not a real comfortable working environment.
The County Commission held an emergency meeting this morning to address the situation. The commissioners voted to rent 23 air purifiers for up to 30 days. These are the machines that are being used to clear the air. They've been running non-stop since the weekend, but it could take a few more weeks to completely get rid of the smoke. The total cost of the machines is nearly $6,000 a day. Commissioner Merceria Ludgood says as the air continues to clear, the county will cut back on the purifiers.
It's going to be an expensive proposition, and we just want to make sure that we're doing it well, that we're being efficient in how we do this, while at the same time making sure that people get what they need to be comfortable in their working environments.
Now, the money for those purifiers will initially be paid for by the county, which expects to be reimbursed by its insurance company. And ultimately, the roofer's insurance company is going to have to foot the bill for this. Reporting live from Government Plaza, I'm Renee Dowles for Fox 10 News.
Thank you, Renee.